So me and KP are on our way to do some shopping to finish off our fairground style foods. So here at Walmart, let's see what happens. Get our cart, and I got my list right here to finish up. Already a few $100s worth of shopping and buying stuff like the deep fryer and crock pots and all that. So, well, the little essential things, but definitely looking forward to shopping, getting this knocked out, and show you guys some video footage of our creations that we're going to be doing later on today with my family. So, good looking. All right, finished with our Walmart shopping, filled it up, came to $109.
Jeez, he dropping a bag on you.
But everybody's gonna kick in, pitch in, so it kind of works out that we're doing it as family nights and Sunday dinners. So definitely happy to do this for the kids and my grandchildren and have some quality time with them. So again, thanks for watching. Keep everything going. And you'll see our creations later. I got everybody coming over in a few hours, and from there we will be cooking. So again, Walmart parking lot. And thanks for watching, subscribing. Kind of overcast day, but everything's a great day when you're above ground. So amen. So I am rendering down my collard greens. Got all my cooking stuff here for my deep fried fish, seasonings and batters, everything I'm gonna use. Getting everything going. That'll be for the snacks over here, for the peanut butter, deep fried peanut butter. But for now, for my collard greens, I got some bacon and onions. I'm gonna get some fresh garlic cloves in there and get that boiling, as well as outside. Let's see, outside I have a pot going with some butter and cabbage and salt and pepper. So I got this going. Get that nice and turn that up a little bit and get the boiling going a little quicker. Had to block off the wind, but yep, come back out. I can see that through the window. We got cleaning up to do in the yard, but hey, who doesn't? So back to collard greens, everything going. I'll be cooking. I'll show you what's coming on as I produce it. So I'm just doing the prep work now. Got to do a lot of chopping and boiling these things down and getting them ready for the stuffed wontons. But I got all the ingredients. So far I'm in almost $400 or $500. But it'll be worth it for how many meals and all the stuff that I got. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. And hey, anybody could do this. This could be something I might bring off to Tonga and make some menus over there. They got a lot of good things that I could do there with deep fried and grills and everything. So again, thanks for watching. Well, I MacGyvered this, Makaiva. Instead of going through using my pit boss in a tank, I already was boiling corn on the cob, so I just used my hot flat top because it's stainless steel or iron, and just put it on top of the grill propane thing and grilled up my shrimp so I could add it to my meal that I'm doing. So again, always cooking, and I'll show you what I got going on inside. Trying to keep the kitchen cool while I'm finishing up this. I got the corn and cabbage going. Matter of fact, I believe that should be done. I'll turn that off. And then I got bacon, collard greens, onions going in here. Bacon, collard greens, what else? Garlic, minced onions, butter, and once this all renders down nice and the water's gone and the flavor's all in there, I'm gonna add my cream cheese and get it to stick together, and that'll be for the wontons. So got a bunch of stuff going on. Again, for the fish, I got to chop up the shrimp. It's going to go with the wontons inside here, and we're going to do a little bit of with and without shrimp wontons. So looking forward to that and everything else. So again, it was hot outside. Definitely thanks for watching. So keep up with me. I'm going to have the family here arriving soon. That was my prep work, doing the collard greens and chopping those up and getting all that going. So I did all the prep work. When they get here, we'll cook together. So that way it's all of us participating. All right. Thank you for watching. I forgot to mention, these are my new additions to my collection. A chopper to make things easier for the onions and garlics. And this is for making my treats. So I'll put my dough in there and my fillers, deep fry them, make it easy. All right. And plus all the other stuff I invested in. And food in the deep freezer and in this freezer and fridge. I filled everything up. About $400 or $500 worth of food shopping almost. But it's for the family. It'll be worth it when we all learn how to do this stuff, and maybe they can fundraise and make money off of it as well. So that's something my daughter was looking into. So again, thanks for watching, and this is, I got to chop this up. I'm gonna take those shrimp and chop them up in there and add it to the collard greens. All right. Well, so far, guys, this is where I'm at. Rendered down the collard greens, bacon, minced garlic, onions, and butter. And I'm going to add the cream cheese next and get that thickened up. Getting all the liquids out. Make sure that there's no broth because I want it to be dry when I pack the wonton. So that's going. Then I got the corn and cabbage over here. That's ready to go. And white rice. When everybody gets here, they will be able to make their fried fish and get that going. So again, cooking up a day with the grandchildren and KP in the corner, and we're gonna do this today and just continue doing some family cooking, and looking forward to this. So let me get back to that. I got to do some mixing. I'll show you the after mix again and go from there. Okay, I had mixed the cream cheese in, but I got to make two different kinds. So this is going to be without shrimp, and this will be with shrimp. And what I did was that grilled shrimp I did earlier on the grill, put it in my chopper, minced it up. Just going to mix it right on in. Ooh, and we'll have some good flavored shrimp and non-shrimp wontons, deep fried. So this is who we're dealing with today. Mr. I got a
2FOL, you already know the deal. Yeah.
So let me get to mixing this. I got a, already showed you that. That's white rice. Already, where's my mixer? I have a mixer. I wanted to show you how I just do with this knife. Let me show you. I got corn on the cob in there. And you're gonna block the light? Just kidding. All right. So there we go. I'm gonna get that going and get back to mixing this up and cooking. Well, this is how we were doing them. I did this batch here. This is the without shrimp, and this is how he's getting down. We've been doing the same, so I'll just let his fingers do it. I've been repeating the same thing.
Yeah, these are his. I'm helping him out just for the camera.
Just for camera's sake. Yeah. Yes. Let me get up at the top of you.
Fat right here, you dig? But we got ones without shrimp right here. Bam. The ones with little shrimp.
With shrimp in there, the minced shrimp.
Yeah, yeah.
But this is how we do it. You wet the edges of the wonton wraps.
Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. Make sure your hands clean, of course. Come on now. And again, the portions are pretty fat on here because my dad is a little, you know.
I want everybody to have at least a bite and a half, 2 bites before they swallow it. Drizzle them, deep fry them.
I don't swallow.
If I don't like it, I don't swallow.
It's a little messy, that one, because like I said, the portions in these are a little
Oh yeah,
much.
I went high with the portions. I actually want them nice and thick, as thick as I could get them. Because this, I don't know what I got. Still more.
Peep those.
Look how nice those are. Those are his.
Yeah.
Those are mine. First time. He's done them before. He's taught me how to do them.
10 years ago. Come on now.
But hey, man, once you learn to ride a bike, you never forget, right?
Yeah, I was a head chef for Gordon Ramsay's, one of Gordon Ramsay's restaurants.
Yeah, he was the dishwasher that was in the back. Never seen again.
Linguini.
Linguini. Ratatouille, yeah. If I don't like it, I don't swallow. But yeah, this is going to be awesome. I'm just looking forward to everybody showing up still. So again, just keep cutting his head off. Thanks for watching. This is what we're done with. I still have to get the fish over here. I got fish fillets. I'm going to put them on skewers, and then we're going to season them. So I got to get that going next. That's what I'm going to do. Put those in the fridge because we're going to be done, and let the grandchildren and the others come and work on doing their own sets of these and putting some hands on. So again, thanks for watching, keeping us in your prayers and everything else. I've been getting well wishing and always the comments, so I appreciate you guys. Got the grandchildren over, they're helping out. We're going to do deep fried mushrooms. So right now he's rinsing them off, Aaron. Thank you. And he's getting that going. We're going to rinse those. Once those are done, let them dry off a little bit. And we got the oil already in here. Each side, I didn't realize each side took a whole gallon. So my son had to run off and get another gallon so we could fill that side. But got the wontons ready to go in. I'm going to do the deep fried mushrooms. Let them sit there and dry off a little bit. We got some drinks going over there, grandbabies around. So, looking forward to cooking, as well as the corn, the rice, and all that. So, gonna have a great eat. And then we got, afterward, the treats with the snacks over there. But right now, we need to work on making batter. Okay, guys? All right. Well, the deep fryer is off, and this is what we created. The cabbage with the corn, fried fish. They ate all the wontons before I could take photos. But we got the fried mushrooms right here.
What's up, Dad?
Everybody's grubbing.
Making our plates. You know, with the black bag beads in the background.
Still watching during church. I remember I lit like a few times with you guys and
Heck yeah. Let me show you.
get burned like every 5 times. Shut up for a minute.
Yes,
Whoever
definitely.
pitched in.
Where's the
Everybody who pitched in, thank you for the drinks and
Myself.
everything. So, putting my deep fryer to work. Making some fried chicken. They already are eating it. Got this going. Just putting my deep fryer to work, guys. I'll put a bunch of videos together of this week of all what I've been doing with this deep fryer. So again, thanks for watching, and I appreciate you guys. And definitely enjoy my cooking for everybody in the family. So something that's a passion of mine is cooking as well. So again, putting that to work.